learn a new chapter, our solar system. As you know that we all have a family. In the same way, the sun also have a family. The sun, 8 planets and their moons together form a solar system. Let's learn in detail with a beautiful presentation.
First, we learn about stars. When we look in a clear night sky, we might wonder how many stars are there, how big they are. Stars are twinkle in the sky. Many stars together form a cluster. Cluster means गुच्छा. बहुत सारे stars मिलकर गुच्छा बनाते हैं. This is called cluster. Millions of star clusters together make a galaxy. बहुत सारे star clusters मिलके galaxy बनाते हैं. The name of a galaxy is the Milky Way. अपना जो galaxy का नाम है the Milky Way. Stars. These are huge balls of hot gases. They are very hot and they give out heat and light. The sun is also a star. Stars are bigger than sun, but they are very far away from the earth. Stars बहुत बड़े होते हैं sun से भी, लेकिन अर्थ से दूर रहने के कारण वो बहुत छोटे दिखते हैं. A group of stars which appear to form a pattern is known as constellation. बहुत सारे स्टार्स मिलकर एक पैटर्न बनाते हैं या एक शेप बनाते हैं, अलग अलग शेप्स बनाते हैं. इसे हम कॉन्स्टलेशन कहते हैं. द सन. Sun is also a star. It gives us heat and light. It is very much closer to the earth than any other stars. Sun जो है अर्थ के बहुत समीप पास में होता है, इस वजह से वो दूसरे स्टार से बहुत बड़ा दिखता है. It is made up of hot gases. Sun's surface temperature is about 5500 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. उसका जो सरफेस टेम्परेचर है बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, लगभग 5500 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. The planets and solar system. A planet is like a big ball of rocks which move around the sun on a fixed path called orbit. Planets rocks के बने हुए बिग बॉल की तरह होते हैं जो एक फिक्स्ड पाथ में सन के चारों ओर घूमते हैं. उस पाथ को हम ऑर्बिट कहते हैं. पाथ मीन्स रास्ता, ए वे. दिस इज द ऑर्बिट ऑफ वीनस. दिस इज द ऑर्बिट ऑफ जुपिटर. दिस इज द ऑर्बिट ऑफ नेपट्यून. A celestial object that moves around the planet is called moon. प्लैनेट के चारों ओर घूमने वाली आकाशीय वस्तु को हम मून कहते हैं. हर प्लैनेट का अपना अलग मून होते हैं. इस तरह द सन, प्लैनेट्स एंड देयर मून्स फॉर्म द सोलर सिस्टम. इस तरह सन, प्लैनेट्स एंड देयर मून्स फॉर्म द सोलर सिस्टम. This is the first planet of the solar system called Mercury. It is the smallest planet and it is nearest to the sun. It revolves around the sun in 88 days. सन के चारों ओर घूमने के लिए उसको 88 days लगते हैं. It is very hot during the day and very cold during the night. दिन में बहुत गर्म रहता है और रात में ठंडा रहता है. It doesn't have any moon. इसका कोई मून नहीं होता. The second planet of the solar system is Venus. It is brightest and hottest planet. It can be seen in morning and evening. इसको हम सुबह भी देख सकते हैं और शाम को भी. It is called morning and evening star. It also does not have any moon. The Earth is the third planet of the solar system. On this planet we are living. It is neither too hot nor too cold. It revolves around the sun in 365 1/4 days. ये सूर्य के चारों ओर घूमने के लिए 365 1/4 डे लगते हैं. मीन्स एक साल पूरा लगता है. It has water and air. That's why the life is possible on the earth. It has one moon. Mars. It is the fourth planet of the solar system. It is covered with red dust, so it appears red. Due to this, it is known as red planet. It has two moons. Our scientists are searching on the moons if there is life is possible or not. Mars. It is the fourth planet of the solar system. It is covered with red dust, so it appears red. Due to this, it is known as red planet. It has two moons. Our scientists are searching life on it. Jupiter. It is the fifth planet and also it is the largest planet of the solar system. It is large enough to hold more than 1300 Earths-like planets inside it. जुपिटर इतना बड़ा होता है, उसके अंदर 1300 Earths समा सकते हैं. It is the fastest spinning planet. ये सबसे तेज घूमने वाला planet है. It has more than 63 moons. Saturn. It is the sixth planet and it is also second largest planet of the solar system. It has 62 moons. It has a ring so we can easily identify it. Uranus. The seventh planet and third largest planet. It takes 84 years for one revolution around the sun. ये सूर्य के चारों ओर घूमने के लिए 84 years लगते हैं. It has 27 moons. The next planet is Neptune. It is the 8th planet of the solar system. Here cold winds blow faster than a flying plane. यहाँ बहुत तेजी से ठंडी हवाएं बहती है. It is a bright blue planet. It has 13 moons. So, the sun and these 8 planets and their moons together form a solar system. Thank you for watching.
I hope you understood today's topics very well. We will continue this lesson in the next video. Till then,